We will make this e-commerce clothing store intercom chatbot. So let me show you a preview of it. Hi, how can I help you today? Please select product category you need assistance with. Let's say I select t-shirts. Then it's going to say how to care for them, sizing issue, general inquiry. So if I say sizing issue, or let's say this one, I'm going to show you sizing issue as well. So this is how to care for them. Do you have another question? I have another question about t-shirts. Let me say sizing issue. For sizing issues, do this and that. So would you like more information about exchanging? Yes. And then you can say this is our exchange policy and put your link here. So you just replace this with your link. And now I want to select a different item. And then t-shirt, jeans, whatever. So this is how it works. You can add as many items as you want. Let's begin. Let's start by going to automation and create a new workflow. And let me start from scratch. Customer visits page. Then we will follow this file. You can find it in the description below. I'm going to copy this message, or you can just type. You don't need this file. And then this is the settings. So I'm going to actually remove this, and I'm going to paste this message. And then I'm going to say t-shirt, jeans, accessories. But let's, for this tutorial, just do t-shirt and jeans, but you can also add accessories if you want. I just don't want to, there is no need for this tutorial to be so long because it's the same process. Okay, so if customer selects t-shirt, we want to send this message. T-shirt, we want to send this message. And then we want to give them these options. So reply buttons, how to care for them, and then we want to say sizing issues, and then we want to say general inquiry. So if user says how to care for them, we're gonna copy this. So I'm gonna say message, paste this one. If there are sizing issues, okay, but after this, we want to ask the user, we want to send a message. Do you have another question about t-shirts, or you want to select a different item? And then we're going to give it reply buttons. Another question that's going to go back here, and then select different item, and we're going to create a new message. Please select your item, or please select an item. And then we're going to give the same items. So t-shirt and jeans. And selecting t-shirt will go back into t-shirt. So let me actually rename this to select options. And then I want to just rename this to, actually, that's it. And then let's go the second one. So sizing issue, I'm going to copy this message. And I'm going to send message here. So it says, would you like more information on how to exchange or return? We provide buttons. Yes, no. So no is gonna go here, and yes is gonna send a message. Please visit our page, and you can also put your link here, like that. And then after that, we want to go here and ask if user has more questions about a t-shirt. And then let's go to general inquiry and let Finn answer. Actually, we're gonna first send message. Please describe your question in more detail. And then I'm gonna capture customer, collect customer reply, and then let Finn answer. And talk to a person will go to convert to ticket. And then this will go to select, so this end will go to connect to existing path, select options. Now let's do the same quickly for jeans. So I'm gonna send a message when user selects jeans. And we're gonna have some buttons. How to care for them. And we're gonna have sizing issues. And we're gonna have general inquiry. So let me connect the general inquiry immediately to this one. So I'm gonna rename this to general inquiry. So we go here. And then how to care for them, we're gonna send a message like that I just copied. And so we have how to care for shirts as well. So then this goes to this message, another question, and select different item. So I wanna send another message after this one about caring. Do you have another question about jeans? Or do you want to select a different item? So I'm gonna say buttons, another question, and then select a different item. And this select a different item will connect to existing path, select options. And this another question will go to this one. So another question about jeans will go here. And you can rename this to like jeans options. And then you can just select it here instead of dragging to that way. Now let's do sizing, jeans sizing. So sizing issue, send a message. Would you like more information about returns? So we're gonna have some buttons. Yes, no. Yes is gonna send a message. It's the same message. And then after that, we're gonna go back to jeans options. Connect to the same jeans options. And no will go to L path. So this is L path. So let's connect to existing L path. And that's it. Also, we need to connect this. So this should go into jeans options. That's it. Thank you for watching. I provide one-on-one coaching for Intercom. You can contact me below. Thank you.